Hello friend, welcome to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you the secret of my tea recipe. So let's start. See, this is spices what I'm using always while I'm making tea. So this is green cardamom, big dry cardamom, cinnamon stick, clove and bay leaves. These all spices I'm already made fine powder and keep in airtight glass bottle. And whenever I wanted to make tea, simply I'm using this powder along with sugar and tea leaves. Trust me friend, after using this, my tea become more delicious, more tasty. So this is my tea secret, special secret of tea recipe. So now you should have to try in your home and do comment how do you like it. Bye bye.